In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Zoho Sheet. Whether you're managing projects, planning events, or simply keeping track of important dates, having a calendar system within your spreadsheet can be incredibly helpful. Let's jump right into it. First up, we're going to look at how to input dates manually with date formatting. In Zoho Sheet, even though there's no built-in pop-up calendar, you can still achieve clear and consistent date entries by formatting your cells appropriately. To do this, navigate to the Format menu, then choose Cell and select Date. By setting your cells to the date format, you ensure all dates appear consistently. This not only enhances the visual clarity of your sheet, but also helps in data organization and retrieval, since any associated calculations or sorting will recognize these entries as dates. Although you'll be entering the dates manually, this initial setup prepares your sheet for accurate and reliable date handling. Moving on to our next technique, we'll leverage data validation to ensure only valid dates are entered into your cells. In Zoho Sheet, this feature will work as a guardrail, maintaining the integrity of your data. Through data validation, you can restrict cell entries to date values alone, preventing errors that can occur when wrong data types are inserted. This process is like having an automatic checkpoint that filters out potential mistakes, ensuring that every date in your sheet corresponds to a real, valid date. It helps maintain data consistency and integrity, making your workflow smoother, even though there's no integrated date picker pop-up. Now, if you're wanting a more interactive approach, we can simulate a date picker by linking your main sheet to an external, hidden sheet. Here's how to create this. Start by setting up a new sheet that will hold a manual calendar layout, possibly using a grid that stretches over a month. You can populate this grid using date formulas, creating a tangible visual representation of the calendar you can interact with. Once set up, this sheet acts as a lookup table. Use formulas like VLOOKUP to let users select a date from this simulated calendar, which will, in turn, pull that date into your main working sheet. While this isn't entirely seamless like a real pop-up calendar, it offers a guided mechanism for date entry, enhancing user experience when navigating your spreadsheets. Following these steps, you can effectively add a calendar in Zoho Sheet, no matter what your specific needs might be. So dive in, apply these techniques, and streamline how you manage and interact with dates in your daily tasks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most of your tools.